Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first, to do that, we should open the settings and scroll to sounds and vibration. Now we can see here ringtone volume panel. Just to mute ringtone, you should hold and swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first, let's go to the advanced settings, and in the volume button function, be sure that you have selected ringtone volume. And now just by press down volume button here on the left side of your phone, you can mute your device ringtone. And also you can make it by the third way, just by slide with your finger to the down this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.